S-50 assembly video. Unpackage and organize your parts for easy assembly. Attach the spreader base to the yellow hopper tub using the 4 screws provided. Insert the gear mechanism through the bottom of the spreader plate and connect it with the small screw provided. Put the gear and spreader plate mechanism into the bottom hole of the spreader. Note the mechanism has the front side labeled. Use the cotter pin to keep the assembly together. Attach the side braces by sliding them over the axle. Then bolt the braces to the spreader base using the 2.5-inch bolts. Only snug the bolts for now to allow for easy assembly of the upcoming parts. Assemble the silver threaded support rod and the 2 silver support braces. The contour of the braces should bend outward to complement the design of the spreader. Connect them with the 2 1.5-inch bolts provided. Again, just snug them. Using the 2-inch bolts provided, attach the spreader base to the support braces. Again, just make them snug. Now, place the black spacers onto the axle. Place the wheel on the axle and use the small axle bolt and nut to attach it. You will only bolt one wheel to the axle. The other one will ride freely. Look for the pre-drilled holes in the axle and the wheel that indicate which side is bolted. Add the washer to the other side. Now the tire. Press the wheel axle cap onto the axle in a clockwise fashion until secure. Next, put on the second tire and again secure the wheel axle cap on the outside. Assemble the handle shaft with the 2 holes down near the hopper. At this point, bolt on the spreader mechanism with the attached tie rod facing towards the hopper. At the top of the shaft, assemble the 2 handles and the lever. Bolt these 3 pieces together as shown, making sure to insert the handle spacer. Remove one nut on the threaded end of the connecting rod. Place the angled end onto the lever and the threaded end onto the receiving plate at the bottom. Reattach the nut to hold it in place. This nut is also where you can make adjustments to the spreader control opening. Remove the nut from the connector rod and attach it to the bottom of the spreader hopper. Reattach the nut to hold it in place. At this point, go back and thoroughly tighten all the bolts. Insert the black screen and rain cover.